Spring and summer are right around the corner, along with family get-togethers, picnics, potlucks, and celebrations. Today, I want to share with you one of our favorite warm weather desserts, our classic cream pies. To begin, we will put together our pie crust. To a food processor bowl, combine 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoons of salt, and 2 tablespoons of cane sugar. Pulse briefly and add in 2 sticks of cold cubed butter. Process the butter into pea-sized pieces and add in 1/2 cup of cold water. Pulse until just combined and flip out onto your workspace. Gather your dough together and separate into 2 discs. Cover with plastic and allow to chill for at least ½ an hour. While the crust is in the fridge, we will throw together our cream pie filling. To a stand mixture, add in 3 whole eggs, 6 egg yolks, 1½ cups of white sugar, 3/4 cup cornstarch, and 3 teaspoons of salt. Whip it all together until it is pale and creamy. To a large saucepan, combine 6 cups of whole milk and 1 vanilla bean. Heat over medium-high heat, stirring occasionally until the milk just barely starts to simmer and a few small bubbles appear on the surface. Remove from the heat. Whisk half of the hot milk into the egg mixture, adding the milk in a little bit at a time. Pour the mixture back into the saucepan. Warm the pan over medium-low heat and continue to whisk until the mixture begins to thicken, about 5 to 7 minutes. Remove from the heat and allow it to cool for 5 minutes. Add 1 stick of cubed butter and stir until the butter melts. Cover the surface of the Bavarian cream with plastic wrap and refrigerate it for 3 to 4 hours or until fully cooled. Remove your pie crust from the fridge and roll out each of the discs to fit a 9x9 pie pan. Grease the pie pan and place the pie crust into the pan, crimping the edges as needed. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 18 minutes or until golden brown. Set aside and allow it to cool. Now let's make the whipped cream. In a stand mixer, combine 4 cups of heavy whipping cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 cups of powdered sugar. Whip until stiff peaks form. Transfer half of the whipped cream to a piping bag. Now go ahead and bring your custard out of the fridge and either mix vigorously or use an immersion blender to get it nice and creamy again. Now it is finally time to assemble our pies. Divide the Bavarian cream and pour half of it into one pie shell and the rest of it into the other. Now place your fruit of choice. Our absolute favorites are raspberry and banana. I use 3 bananas for one pie and 2 cups of raspberries for the other. Now divide the whipped cream in the bowl into each of the pies and smooth it over. Take your whipped cream that is in the piping bag and pipe it on top, using around half of the bag per pie. I'm doing a bunch of little rosettes. Decorate however you wish and place the pies into the fridge until you are ready to enjoy them. These cool, creamy pies are a staple dessert during the warmer months. The delicious custard, fresh fruit, and buttery crust are a delightful combination.